Ba-boom, ba-bow. Let's get on the road, baby. Back to run. I'm Kyle Strait, professional mountain biker, decked ambassador, and I'm here to show you my deck drawer system, deco cases, and how I use them in my everyday life. I got a bunch of deck cases. You never know what I'm gonna be doing each and every week. I got my camping gear here ready, throw those in there. I have my mountain bike specific tools. Those are almost always in at least one of the drawers. And then we have my towing tools that are interchangeable. Each and every single one of these, you can throw one in or take them out, switch them out, and we're ready to go. Let's get after it. Okay, so say you're out building tracks, you got all your digging tools. You wanna take those digging tools out, you're done with digging for the day. Get the phone call from the wife, kids wanna go camping, put all your camping stuff in your deck system. Ba-boom, ba-bow. Close them up. On the way to camping, no crying babies. Let's get on the road, baby. I'm out here camping, as you can tell. We got dogs running around, family's tired, everybody's ready to go home. Let's take my camping gear out of the truck, out of my deck system. I'm ready to get back home and go riding. I got my riding gear, my riding tools ready to go. Throw those in there. We're back on the road. And let's be on the way. And after that, you go get groceries. So I got my groceries. I was told to only get the necessities. We got all the important stuff. We got diapers, natty, and then peanut butter, jelly, and no bread, whatever. We're on our way. So yeah, I'm Kyle Strait. That's how I use my deck drawer system and my deco cases together.